Yo, what's up guys? On this video I am going to show you on how I took this trade and how I placed my stop loss and take profits. Stay tuned, let's get it. What's up guys, I'm back again with another one. Here we're looking at the KJPY. I'm thinking of taking this. I'm not thinking actually, I already took this trade actually. And then I was thinking of making a video while this trade is still running. This is a 5-minute time frame. Actually, what I am looking for here, I saw this first impulsive move, and then now it's currently on this correction. It might bounce here, come back up here before it pushes down to this level. All right. So right now I dropped down to a 1-minute time frame, and then what I did is, since it bounced on this line, on this top, since it bounced on this top trend line, and then we got this impulsive move, we had this small correction. I took a sell here with the hope that it's going to go down. Then now I see that is not pushing down as yet. It keeps on moving in a corrective way. It keeps on moving within here. Currently it touches this trend line already, so it might push up like this before it goes down. But I'm already on this trade and I'm on a negative side, and I won't take this trade out up until it breaks this top trend line. So if it breaks this top high, if it goes like this and then push up, break this one, give me another correction, go, so then I'll take this trade out. Once it comes here, give me another correction, I'll take this trade out, because most chances are it's going to shoot back up. But if it comes here and then give me an impulsive move, then give me another correction, I might take another trade here for the hope that it's going to go down. Okay, let me just show you that I already took this trade. This is the trade. You can see here. Okay, you can't really see because of my screen, but I can try to. Okay, I can't even move this. Let me see. Okay, maybe I can squash it from the side. Okay, I don't know what is happening, guys. Okay, there you go. So you can see there, I'm on a negative side. I took how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I took 5 trades for this one. It's currently pushing up. Yeah, it's getting real. It's getting real. So obvious it's going to push up, because you can see this top trend line. You can see this. It bounced here, it bounced there, it bounced there. Currently it's here. So it push ups. Yeah, that's what I think is going to happen. But for sure, it has to come down. It has to come down. I don't see another reason why it wouldn't come down. I don't see another reason. Yeah, guys, so that's what I'm hoping. If this thing could push down and give me this move from here, then take my profits, close all of these trades, and then I'll withdraw all this money. Hopefully it will. If it pushes up, if it continue pushing up like that, come here, has to push down to this level, and otherwise I'll lose this money. All right, cheers guys, catch you on the next one. Okay, this is 2 hours later. As you can see here, I'm currently on profits. This is the setup. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Cheers.